In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF file in the Skool community. This tutorial is perfect if you're looking to streamline your resources and make them accessible to your community members. We'll walk through each step so you can easily manage and share your documents. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Skool into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see a list of results. Click on the first one. This should take you straight to the Skool homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to proceed by entering your account details. Simply use your username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, focus on the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you will notice two arrows. Clicking on these arrows will open up a menu where you can choose the specific community you're working with. Make sure to select the community where you'd like to share the PDF file. Clicking on your desired community will take you into its main interface. Now that you're inside the community, look at the options available at the top or left side. You'll want to head over to the Classroom section. Click on the Classroom option to access a list of courses within the community. Then find and select the course where you want to add your PDF file. Again, this is a simple click and it will open the course content. Once you're in the course session, search for the Edit button. This button is typically represented by a small pencil or similar icon and is found close to the course title or description. Clicking this will enable editing mode. Next, you'll see various edit tools appear. One of these should be a link icon, often illustrated as a chain link. Click on this icon to open a dialog box where you can paste the URL of your PDF file. Make sure your PDF is hosted somewhere accessible, such as Google Drive or another cloud storage service, to ensure seamless sharing. Copy the link from your file's location and paste it into the URL field in Skool. Before you finish, ensure the link works by testing it in another browser tab. If all is well, head back to Skool, find the Save button, and click it to apply your changes. Your PDF file link is now attached to the course, allowing your community members to access it. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a PDF file with your Skool community, making it easy for members to access important documents right from within the platform. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher or run into any issues. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.